Hello guys, welcome back with me and welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you the news of cryptocurrency. The title is Stablecoin Issuers Hold More US Debt Than Berkshire Hathaway Report. Tether, Circle, and other stablecoin firms held $80 billion worth of short-term U.S. government debt as of May 2022, more than owned by Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. Stablecoin issue like Tether and Circle have accumulated a significant share in the United States Treasury market, outperforming major traditional finance players. Various stablecoin providers collectively hold $80 billion worth of short-term U.S. government debt as of May 2022. According to a study by the investment bank JP Morgan released on August 16, Tether, Circle, and other stablecoin firms account for 2% of the total market for the United States Treasury bills, holding a bigger share of T-bills than totality owned by Warren Buffett's investment giant Berkshire Hathaway. Stablecoin issuers have also outperformed offshore money market funds and prime market MMFs in terms of their treasury bill investment proportion according to the data. Considered to be low-risk assets, treasury bills are debt instruments that are commonly used by companies as a cash equivalent on corporate balance sheets. Tether and Circle issuers of the world's biggest asset-backed stablecoin Treasury bills while cutting reliance on commercial paper earlier this year. The move came amid uncertainty surrounding algorithmic stablecoin Spark. In contrast to algorithmic stablecoins, which rely on algorithm and smart contracts to their US dollar backing, asset-backed stablecoin like USDT and USDC are designed to guarantee the 1v1 backed by holding cash and common cash equivalents. At the time writing, USDT's market capitalization amounts to $67.6 billion, while USDC market value is $52.4 billion, according to data from CoinGecko. As previously reported, USDC has seen notable growth in market cap, while Tether's market dominance has been dropping since May. Market confidence in Tether as a stablecoin has been gradually eroding, with the event over the past few months accelerating the dynamic. So guys, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Before you close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.